guys, welcome to our YouTube. Whoop, whoop. So I've been wanting to try this for a very long time, and you like it? That's a trouble. Oh my god. Be careful, because I feel like I'm gonna be the one that edits this. Hi. Hello. Serious now.
I'm crying.
I've been wanting to try this face mask for a while because I've been watching the YouTube videos of it and it's hilarious because people can't withstand the pain. So this one in particular is called T-Zone and it's a charcoal and bamboo black peel-off mask. See? Got it for what, £2 at Superdrug? Bargain. So we're gonna try it. And I thought Jess should do it with me because her pain tolerance is apparently quite high, so there we go. That is the plan. Okay, firstly I actually need to take off all my makeup because I haven't. You've not got it on, right?
Clearly.
Hola, see, yummy. The instructions say cleanse your face and pat dry.
Don't think they meant with your hand.
I recommend you steam your face for 2 to 3 minutes. Or prepare the skin with a hot towel for 3 to 5 minutes to open pores. And there are no flannels, so we will. Oh, it's steaming. We will pat ourselves, cleanse ourselves with a big towel. Then wait.
Steam my face.
3 to 5 minutes. Ready? And.
Hello, please.
Actually feels quite nice. Afterwards, pat dry. I think I'll dry naturally. Apply a medium, even layer to areas prone to impurities. So Jess, you're gonna have to cover your whole body. Wait, so just it's really black. It's like tar. Oh my god, this is gonna look hilarious.
Look at you. You're like, I'm so delicate. I'm like, oh shit.
Oh shit.
I don't really know what we're doing, so it's everywhere.
I'm doing it everywhere. Just don't put it underneath your eyes, Jess.
Oh, okay. I don't really know.
You don't put it up. This is your sensitive skin under your eyes.
Oh, okay.
Because bearing in mind that people say this really hurts to take off, now imagine. There you go. You're fine.
Now I
Oh yeah, see, she's doing the whole face. I got worried then. I thought it was just a T-zone one. Don't get it on your eyebrows. But I always get scared of my skin getting off.
Oh, actually, that's quite brave of you doing this with your skin.
My face skin tends to be durable. Just to explain, I get eczema, so I have to be quite careful with what I put on my skin. So I'm only using the finger, whereas Jess is using... I mean, do you want to show your hands?
I haven't got a face anymore.
It's a little different.
It's like glue.
It is.
It is glue, basically, isn't it? I've dropped all over me.
Look at you!
I've got it all over my hand.
I have to keep checking because I'm like, is that right? Because you got no nose.
I spilled it all over me.
You look like a button. That's funny. That's horrid.
It's tingling. It's actually hurting my skin.
Is it?
Yeah, I'm in quite a lot of pain.
Really?
Is that normal?
I mean, I don't know.
Is yours not tingling? Is yours not in pain?
Not yet. Maybe you're allergic to it.
It's all in my hair. I just washed it.
Ah, shit.
No. Just cleaning the carpet. Oops. Looks slightly dodgy.
Okay, so we have got the mask on. In Vogue, yeah. And it says to leave on for 30 minutes or until completely dry. So we are probably going to have a glass of wine and watch Friends for half an hour. Oh, it's still filming.
Oh. Oh, mine's coming off on its own.
I'm trying to laugh without smiling. Hello, we are back. It's been about 30 minutes now. I didn't actually distribute mine very well, so I've still got a couple clunky bits that are a little bit wet, but I think it'll take too long for them to dry. I mean, aside from that though, it's pretty even. This mask seems to go like quite blotchy. I don't really know what that is. It's fine though, it's very tight.
You said that, but mine's kind of coming off.
Oh. It's probably because you've been doing that. So yeah, as it says on the box, we're gonna carefully remove it and see what the result is. Ready?
Oh, yes. Oh, I think. Tickles. Oh, this is fun. Oh,
It's
I like this. Oh, I like the
It's in
sound.
my hand.
Oh, it's a very satisfying sound. Eh. Oh. It's tickly.
It's tickly. I actually can't get mine off.
Oh. I see why people might find this painful.
Is it actually?
But it feels nice. Oh, it's so satisfying. Does it take anything out?
Oh gosh.
Oh, I don't think it is.
Oh
I don't
gosh.
think mine's as good. Oh. I win. Oh, okay.
It's
No,
not.
it's not painful.
Oh my god.
I'm red and blotchy though.
Okay.
Super blotchy. Oh, maybe I didn't do mine thick enough. That looks pretty grim. Ah!
Freedom!
Same old face.
Damn it, I'm not Rihanna! Why am I not 10 years younger? God damn it.
I get really excited when I've seen these videos to see all of the little squidge bits, but I'm not seeing that many on mine. I don't think it's pulled out that many of my...
See, these bits didn't dry properly. They didn't.
Oh.
So, yeah. With these extra bits, I'm just going to use a face wipe to get it off. Have you got most of yours off? No.
Yeah, it just says to use some more water.
Yeah, so use some more water and the results are kind of good. My face feels a bit weird. But I don't know, a bit tingly.
There's something quite satisfying.
And it's a bit gross. I don't know if you can see anything at all. But there's all my face dirt. Okay, Jess is just checking in the mirror. My review of it is... Yeah, my review of it is I think it's alright. It's not that painful. It was a little painful, I must admit. More so than I was expecting. But yeah, the skin feels kind of smooth. It's a little bit red, which I'm not really sure if that's actually a good thing, because I would assume that means that it's kind of put a little bit of stress on my skin, but yeah, it was okay. What's your thoughts?
Didn't hurt as much as I thought it was going to.
That was our whole reason for doing it. It wasn't for the beauty side of things. We were just curious about the pain.
But I've just checked and it seems to have cleared a little bit, but not as much as I would have hoped. I'm not selling it. I don't like talking to cameras.
Alright, well that is our review of the T-Zone face mask, and it was okay. It was worth the money. It was only $1.99 from Superdrug. I don't know what's that already, but yeah. And yeah, I would suggest you try it out. And thank you for watching. Let us know what you think and comment and subscribe. Bye!
Bye!